Are you wanting to sew more sustainably? If you are like me, you already have piles of fabrics and scraps in your studio and pieces in your closet that you just don't wear anymore because they're either damaged or forgotten about. I'm Meg Healy in my home sewing studio, and this is Style Revive, where I'm turning my space upside down to uncover and use fabrics and garments I already have to make new fashionable pieces. In this series, I'll show you how fun and easy it is to upcycle and repurpose what your studio has to offer. Old bridesmaid dress into romper, jeans into home decor, paint over a stain, work with a rip, blazer mashup, scrap fabric put to good use, and one simple pattern reworked 5 different ways. These are just some of the projects I demonstrate with the company of my husband and pet rabbit in our loft. So stream the series today.